Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of REM Bus. I'm your host, Cass. As always, I got Callum with me. Welcome
Hi
to the
everyone.
show, Callum. So,
Thanks
guys,
for having me.
we got a few things to talk about today. Obviously, the market bus. We always talk about how's the Bitcoin going, and according to the Bitcoin, how the rest of the coins fluctuate, and also at the end, our own coin, which is REM, how is fluctuate according to the market trends. So, saying that, a lot of things happening in the world. Obviously, the Gulf War with Iran, and a lot of things. So, the markets fluctuates like no tomorrow. A lot of markets down, then up one day, and so is the crypto market as well. So without taking too long, we'll go to Callum. Callum will go in depth what's going on in the market space with the international crisis and all that. So Callum, over to you.
Thank you very much for having me, Cass, and very good morning or good afternoon, wherever you guys are. Good evening, good night, guys, because we're talking to the whole world. So I should say wish everything here now. Guys, we are in a situation where you can see everything stable, going up and down in the 60s, 70s, 71, 70s, right, going back to 65 again, something like that, on that zone, right? But again, guys, with stability, with some capitulation, you need to understand it may go up or down. And some people say these days, yeah, Kaz, some people say it will go up. This is the end. This is the bear market and so forth. You know where I stand about that. But let's get a proper understanding by going into the in depth. Let's go there and check the charts out. Okay. Now you guys see the charts now, okay? So
Yes.
here you can see this is the CoinGecko. I would like to go through browse through this perfectly well so you can understand this. Ethereum's doing a bit of a good momentum here, guys. You can see, well, Bitcoin has gone up. We just had a chat with Cass just then, and Cass was asking me whether it has gone up. Yep, it's gone up a little bit, but that's not a considerable amount. We see the range here. This here, last 7 days range here actually shows us where it's up to actually. But you know what, guys? Ethereum is doing really well. It's hanging in there in the 2000 mark, which is really good, and this is what we want. The rest of the altcoins basically follows up with whatever Bitcoin does. So, it's not the best time for altcoins actually, guys. But with everything, there's always some opportunity comes in. If someone were to purchase altcoins, I would really recommend purchase those coins I just mentioned before. Something like Polkadot and the ones that I mentioned before. Example, and of course, if it's a micro cap, you can always revisit REM, guys.
Yes.
REM charts here. You can see great opportunity here the other few hours that we people could buy out here, and now it has gone up. You can see here. So these decreasing levels, when something happens, it's a great opportunity for you to purchase because it will go up here. You see, and you can sell here as well. So you can do small trading here during these times to get that ball rolling. Okay, so without further ado, let's go back to the charts again, guys. This is the BTC USDT chart. Now, as you know, I'll widen it up. I always go to MEXC, guys, because you can purchase your REM, do your due diligence. This is not a financial advice. You can see REM USDT. You can purchase on MEXC, real world asset, guys. A great opportunity. Okay, Bitcoin, guys. You can see here. I like to get the 3-day chart as the usual. Here we go. Uh, I'm trying to get the 3-day chart, guys. Give me 1 second. Well, here we go. It just skips out. Anyway, what I want to show is, guys, let's go back in the 1-day chart as well. Doesn't matter. You can see this. Uh, there we go. I think it's giving me an opportunity. I think the computer's running a bit slow. The system's running a bit slow. Anyway, look, guys, from here, you can see the 50 MA and the 200 MA charts. And that's what we want. We want the 50 and 200 MA charts to show here our indication. Basically, let's try again. Did it work? No. Okay. But you see, guys, from this death cross here, you see here, we had the death cross over here in 2022. Then we went up here. Let's bring it up here. This is the 2024. You can see whenever it passes on top, this pink line, which is 200 MA, it goes up when it goes down here. So the important factor here is whenever it crosses right here and the blue line goes down, it's a downturn. Now this you can see here from just being here. Do that again. Hopefully we can get the charts properly this time. There we go. 3-day chart. Right. Now you can see, guys, over here. If we were to go down, you can see the cross I always show you guys. Here's the dead cross. And you can see this is the consolidation part, which is what Cass was talking the other time, you know, like we can see it's going from, say, 75 something all the way to, say, 59 here. It's actually 60 here. So, you know, this is the region that we're looking at. So probably it can be something like this capitulation over here, but we would not see it going up. You would see something going down. And I hope, like you know, the gap here from, guys, from 91 or even 9800 all the way to 60, right? We can see there like a 40 gap, right? Now from 70, you should see something around this sort of a gap here. So we should see something going on till 40, 50, something on this. So get ready over here. It may see something going down here. We will see something up here and then it'll go up. I predict this is the lower point. I may be wrong. I was right here. I may be wrong here. I'm just telling you guys, it's always best to dollar cost average, guys. Dollar cost average, because we can't see the future. Even if I put 1 week chart, it will show me all these things, what happened here. But, you know, guys, how do we know? There's no altcoin season happened during here. So, you know what? I think I predict when people say it goes going to go for 200, 300, 500, we should have known, right? So, you know, but I did mention get some out of here, you know, sell some of your Bitcoin, but I didn't actually anticipate. I thought it was going to go up, guys. I'll be really honest with you. I thought even though we can go here, it was a cautious sign, but I never thought it's going to go down like this. So that's the market, guys. You can't predict, and you never know how from the previous markets. We don't have enough data to check points and say this is this. Now it's supposed to be this. So that's what it is, guys. Let's go back to the REM charts again, guys. I just want to tell you guys, it's a great opportunity for you to buy. See, if you look at the daily chart, there was a 4-hour chart, nothing much big happening here. It's like, you know, capitulation. Just heading up here. REM's been stable, better than some of the other coins, which has gone down really amazingly down. So over here, for the past few months, we were like around here. So which is okay, right, compared to what's happening in the market. Then we go to the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Bitcoin dominance, let me refresh this page just to get the right one. Bitcoin dominance has gone a little bit up, right, because of the financial information that we're getting from the world, global geopolitical situations. So I think they go for the safer zone, which is the, you know, digital gold in this scenario. They may use it as a hedge. Hence, Bitcoin dominance has gone up. which means the Ethereum and the altcoins have gone down a little bit. So to check that out, we check the altcoin season index. Now you can see it clearly here. Last week, we had the altcoin season index at 43. It has gone 10 points down, which is 33. So, it's fluctuating here and then, but let's be fingers crossed, guys. We never know. Altcoin season can come up regardless of the Bitcoin. It's highly unlikely, but that's something that we didn't predict, that altcoin season is not going to come when Bitcoin is going down, up and down, right? Usually by now, altcoin season should be there. So where is it? So that's what we're going to find out. If you go to the fear and greed index, you can see it is neutral now, which is really good. Yesterday was totally neutral. It went to 47, right? Which is okay, right? Remember last week it was a fear zone, came back to fear zone, just because I think with the whole geopolitical situation as well. Last month we had the extreme fear. So, guys, it's not that bad, looking at the crypto market. So let's keep our fingers crossed. I firmly believe this would not go up. This is me, and I may be wrong. I believe it's going to go down here, but I still feel, regardless it's here, regardless it goes down, a small pump in Ethereum, something that happens in these lines, can bring the altcoin season, right, guys? And this is what I want to share with you. That can be the story, guys. That can be the main scenario that you would see altcoins going up. And this is why we need to figure out, what's going to happen. And we have to patiently wait and see. Patience is the virtue. Cass.
Thank you, Callum. There you go, guys. There's in-depth information of what currently going through the world crisis and the direct impact after the market. Obviously, there's a lot of things happen. It's very hard to predict what's going on. Feel like it's depends on the whole economy, depends on the President Trump's tweets these days. But there you go. Good things are coming. So hold on to your assets and do your due diligence before you do anything. So, guys, thank you very much for joining us. We'll come back to you with another episode of RM Buzz very soon, and hope to see you guys soon, and have a good day. See you later.